This real estate blog that you're seeing with SEO structured, images in place, headlines, targeted keywords, infographics, and I did not write a single word myself. It was generated in under 3 minutes using autoblogging.ai. Now, if you're in a real estate and want to create a high converting blogs without spending hours, this tool is going to save you hours. After you log in your dashboard, on the left panel, you're going to see different modes like quick, wizard, single, bulk generate. I'm going with wizard because it is great when you want to go step by step. Article title, here I'm going to type top 7 upcoming neighborhoods to invest in this year. Next, for the language, I'm going to keep it English, but Autoblogging supports 30 languages, helpful if your audience is international. For the length, I'm going to pick medium because we are listing 7 neighborhoods with short details under each. But here's a quick tip. Short is for quick tips or a mini guide, and long is for best deep researches, pieces, or a full city investment breakdown. So medium. Here I'm going to pick listicle because we are breaking down things into 7 clear points, but here's what others do. Informative is good for in-depth explainers or how-tos. Places is best for location-specific blogs like best areas to live in Bangalore, example. Service bar landing pages is used for landing pages like hire me as your investment consultant. So listicle. The tone, I'm going to pick second person so the blog speaks directly to the readers, and here's what you can pick. First person if it is a personal blog from your own experience, and third person is more formal and sounds like an article or a news style write-up. Second person. Here I'm going to pick professional since real estate content is often research based and need to sound reliable. But here's what other style do. Auto. AI picks what fits best. Less AI words is more human sounding and slightly informal. Premium style 1 is an optimized for SEO formatting. Snippet optimizer is great. It structures for a Google featured answered, which is more humorous and casual tone. And conversational is more friendly. Here I'm going to tick all the 4 boxes because it simply enhances the blog automatically. Intents optimized article, it helps your blog rank better by improving flow and the keyword density. FAQs will add real questions people are searching about real estate investing. AI images will add visual elements like maps, houses, or neighborhood shots in the blog. And infographics will include things like investment, pros and cons, or comparison table. SERP analysis. Now, Autoblogging checks what's already ranking on Google for this particular topic and builds the same structure that is going to work for us too. You just have to enable this and quickly leave a note on source context box of how you need your article to be, and also select the location where you need to top. And here I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Outline from competition. It copies the layout pattern of high-performing blogs. External link will add links to trusted sources like property data or government zoning pages. YouTube videos will add related videos, so we get a good engagement on that particular blog. And add key takeaways will add a summary section at the end of your blog. AI proofreading, just enable this and quickly leave a note like make the blog sound natural and investor friendly. So AI will clean up the article and smoothen the tone before publishing. Internal linking. Now, if you have already written other property blogs, you can just enable this and paste your domain here. So it will automatically link this blog to older articles and you have to do no manual copy paste here. Human proofreading. Want a real editor to check things, just enable this and quickly leave a note like fact check the real estate trends or make it beginner friendly. So for this, you will require a human proofreading crediting, which you can always purchase from the dashboard. Now just hit on generate article. Click on the history tab. Scroll down and click on the view like icon that will be shown here. And your blog is fully ready with SEO built in, images added, ready to publish or download. Want to be quicker next time, what you can do is always go to quick single and type in the title here. It is just as same as wizard but with fewer clicks, or use a bulk generate option where you can create 10 to 100 blogs at once, and yes, you can auto post to WordPress directly. To publish investment content, autoblogging.ai lets you skip the research, skip the formatting, and focus on strategy. And if you're too busy managing clients, work, or listing properties, try our done for you blog service where we'll handle the blogs while you grow your business. Like, subscribe, and drop your next blog title below.